Recording in progress.
Hello students, up till now we have seen cybersecurity module 1. In that we have seen OSI model which consists of 7 layers. In that we have seen application layer and its protocol, presentation layer and its protocol, session layer and its protocol, transport layer and its protocol, network layer and its protocol, data link layer and its protocol, and now we are going to see the last physical layer. Physical layer in the OSI model. Till now, data from application layer has been segmented. Data from application layer has been segmented by transport layer, placed into packet. This is the data from the transport layer. Data is in the form of segment, and it goes to the packet by network layer, which consists of source IP address, destination IP address. That means we have seen why IP address is important to identify the computer in the internet, and data segment data. In that, network layer and frame by data link layer. Data link layer consists of frame. Network layer consists of packet, that is the IP address, and transport layer consists of segment. So frame in case of data link layer, MAC address, hardware address, network interface card, and how these starting bit and ending bits are added in the data link layer. Then and at the last, these data are converted into zeros and one bits by the data link layer, and the job of physical layer to convert these bits into electrical signals. Electrical signals in the sense, this is in case of copper cable, then in case of light, in case of fiber optic, and radio signal in case of air. So this copper cable, then signals, then fiber optics, then in case of light, fiber optics, and then radio signal in case of air. Such type of media are used to connect the devices. At the receiver, receive signal, convert into bits, and pass it to data link layer. At the receiver side, pass it to data link layer as a frame. Frame is further decapsulated as data moves to higher layer. Finally, data is moved to application layer. Application layer protocol makes sender message visible in application, just like your mail, your friend send mail to you. Application layer protocol makes sender visible in application and receiver computer screen. In this way, OSI model is helping to transfer data between two distinct hosts. Distinct host in the sense, different computer on the internet. Means one computer is located from long distance and other computer is located long distance. And these 7 layers of OSI model are lying behind the smooth internet. Means with the OSI model, two computers can communicate very efficiently. So that is all about the 7 layers of the OSI model. Thank you.